Hey everybody, this is Nemo and welcome to this second video preview of PrestaShop 1.6. So, the PrestaShop team has finally decided to add their new and Bootstrap-powered responsive PrestaShop template to the GitHub package. And so I downloaded it, tested it out, and here it is. This is the real, of course it's a bit off as it's still under development, but this is the real theme, new theme PrestaShop will have on its 1.6 version. And so let's start by having a look at its features. First, the most obvious thing is responsiveness, and you can see as soon as I shrink down my window, again it's a bit off, but you can see it's responsive as the overall width is adjusting depending on the screen size. And so, well, yes, they are heading towards responsiveness, and this is really, really important. Instead of having a dedicated mobile theme, which it has. So let's have a look at this as well. This is the mobile theme for now. Not that much different from the previous one, is it? So back to the full site. Let's start by having a look at some of the features of this theme. First of all, homepage tabs. Now, this is freshly loaded page, and it seems there is a small bug, so nothing is here. But as soon as I click one of these tabs, you can see they pop out, and they're all the same at the moment, probably because some of these are empty. But you can start to see where PrestaShop's theme is heading. So tabs with new arrivals, which is new products, popular products, which I think is what was previously known as featured products, or maybe best sales, but in that case it would have no sense to have best sellers here and popular here. So I guess popular is home featured, former home featured. So you can see there is a new effect by hovering on this product. You can add to cart, get more information, or add to the wish list. Overall, and I will show you briefly, I think they're using too many colors. We have a shade of blue, light blue here, we have a darker blue here, and you will see we have a green on other pages. So I think this should be changed quite a bit. But let's move on. Let's see what happens if I click add to cart. Default animation, and then bam! A very, very special and new pop-out message. And this is, I think, this is one of the features PrestaShop users really, really wanted. Because it gives you a ton of information about the last product added to the cart. You can see name, attribute, quantity, price, and then a resume of the cart. So you can decide if you want to continue shopping or proceed. For some reason, there is a typo there, or proceed to the checkout. Let's close this out and see something else now. If I scroll up to the cart, you can see I think the intention here was to add a picture of the product to the cart. So another nice addition. Then another things I wanted to point out is this clickable banner, advertising banner at the very top of the page. Right now, I had a look. I inspected the code and had a look at modules, and there is no way to change it from the back office. But as it will hold the link, I think the PrestaShop's theme intention is to have this has a module, so you can configure it, and hopefully, and please, if you're listening, PrestaShop team, do it, multiple language enabled, so you can have one advertising block for each language. Okay, so let's see something else. We have a broken slider here. It's the old slider we had in PrestaShop 1.5. I think they will probably change it. We have I think this is the very same menu we had before. A newsletter. We can now subscribe to the newsletter from the footer. Let's try this. Yes, you have successfully subscribed to this newsletter. And I don't know if this works or not, but hopefully it will. We have follow us, links, the categories block. I think this is the contact block. This should be the CMS, and then the My Account block on footer. Now, let's move on to the categories page. So, let's click, for example, on iPods. And there, you can see new breadcrumb, pretty cool. The category image. Now, I don't know yet what's the intention of the PrestaShop team here. Probably they want to add some kind of degree of customization to allow you to add your own background image for a category and then be able to change the color for the text. But what I want to stress here, look here, where I'm circling with my mouse. Grid and list views, finally. So there is a category view and you have grid or a list of products. And suddenly you can immediately see what I was pointing out before. You can see a green here, and then blue, and then red and light blue. Overall, I think they're using too many colors. But another thing which you probably almost certainly noticed at this point is attributes. Attributes are finally displayed in the category view. However, they are not exactly behaving as everybody probably hoped to, because you cannot, at this stage at least, you cannot add any other combination than default one to the cart from this page. What these color swatches do at the moment is just showing you the available colors for these products, so you can click them and visit the product page. So there is no way, we will see this in a second, there is no way at the moment to add another but the default combination to the cart from within the category page. But anyway, let's go ahead and see other features. You have, of course, the sort by, many models we had to use before. No point in having a deeper look at these. The compare function. Well, this seems to be same as before. You can add to compare. Hard to tell where they are now because there is no box. You just know that you add this to compare. There should be a number here, but you can see even if you click, nothing's happening. So if I click here now, no, they are. So it's not updating, but it's working. Hopefully there will be a way to know which products have been added to the compare function from within the category page. So you can see it's pretty much the same as before. I can go back, for some reason brought me to the home page, go back again to the category page, again switch to the list. You can see it's pretty neat, isn't it? Tons of improvements. And then finally the product page. So what to say here? Well, a really useful plus and minus, if it was working, button for button couple, I should say, for the quantity of the product, and this will hopefully, almost certainly work in the final version. These are attributes and again color swatches. You can add to cart. We have a small reinsurance box here. I haven't checked this yet, so it's probably not yet configurable from the back office, but it almost certainly will. Then, well, more info tabs and everything was here before too. I think here we will have customization, data sheet, and so on. But I haven't had time to check this yet, as anyway it's still under development, so everything will be screwed up anyway. So I will add another product to the cart, and you can see no box is appearing now. So this is probably broken at this stage. Let's see what happens if I check out if the product has been added there. No, so you can see the add to cart button from the product page is not working yet. Well, let's wait and see when it will be implemented, hopefully soon. So this is the checkout. This is, I just enabled one-step checkout, but of course you can still choose between one-step checkout and 5 steps checkout. So nothing to worry about. Now, this is everything I wanted to show you about the new front office theme, but let's have a look at the back office improvement. Yeah, just a bit. So you can see the login page has changed quite a bit. Let me log in. And I just wanted, this is now working somehow, somewhere, not everywhere, but some things are now working. You can see these are now being updated if you click. Well, they didn't used to work at all. I wanted to point out just a thing I forgot to mention, I think, in the last video, which is you can have a counter here for meta fields. So you know, for SEO purposes, your meta title should not be longer than 70 characters, and a meta description should not be longer than 160. So this is a really, really nice and appreciated addition. Okay, so I think we can stop here for this front office theme and small back office edition preview. As always, feel free to contact me at nemo@nemops.com if you have other questions. Let's hope PrestaShop 1.6 rocks soon on our PCs and stores, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.